Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Seun. If today is the first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for coming to watch my video. And if you're part of the family, thank you so much for coming to watch the video again. I really appreciate that. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money with your browser. Yes, on your PC, on your laptop, you have Chrome and you have Opera Mini. I'm going to show you how to make money with those two browsers on your laptop or your desktop. Go ahead, give this video a like, and if you're yet to subscribe, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button right now. Turn on the notification bell, and let's go right into the video. Now, this is my browser, and you can see this is the website you're going to be making money with on your browser. So this website is an extension you're going to install on your browser, and you are doing your normal thing, and you are making money just having this extension on your browser. Now you want to ask me, why are these people paying you money for installing their extension on your browsers? They're paying you money because once you install the extension on your browser, in the background, this extension will be running some adverts on the browser while you're doing your other things. This extension is an advertisement company that take adverts from client, from partner, from everywhere, just to place it on people's browser. So all you need to do is just install it and enjoy. So let's do it. Now it's a passive earnings in the browser. Passive earning in the browser. All right. Install a free browser extension and earn money on a full machine. All right. So let's dive in. Let's dive down a bit. You're going to see how much they've paid people, and they are paying out every minute. All right, you can see it from this place. All right, so if you go down a bit here, you're going to see that users in this service, they have 578,961 people in the service already, and they've paid out 9,650,373. They've paid out that. And service is running currently today in some browsers, and they have 1,401 system are using this extension as I speak to you. So if you go a little bit down, you are going to see how to make money in this add-on money. I'm going to be dropping the link to this extension in the description box of this video. So just go ahead, click the link and install it on your system. It doesn't work with a phone. It only works with your laptop or your PC. All right. How do you make money with this extension? Now, number one, you need to sign up. So you need to sign up, which I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box of this video to sign up. When you sign up, I'm going to also walk you through the process of signing up right now. It's very simple to sign up. That's the number one thing you need to do. Sign up with them. And the second thing you want to do is install the extension on your browser. There are 3 browsers that you can put this extension on. Chrome browser, that is Google Chrome, then Opera Mini browser, then Yandex browser. All right, so let's dive in a bit. So let's go a little bit down. So now, number 3 things that you need to do after you've installed the extension: mind your own business. Exactly, just mind your business, do your own thing. Why this extension is running in the background, mind your business. Don't do anything, just mind your own business. Just make money while you mind your business. All right. So now it says launch the extension and go about your business. As long as the browser is running and there is internet access, add-on money will earn money. So that's number 3. Number 4, the 4th thing you need to do after that, you get money. All right, you get money. Once you install the extension and you turn it on, it's going to open a separate window while it keep running adverts in the background while you do other thing on the other window. All right, I'm gonna walk you through it. Just relax your mind and follow the process. All right, so it's a get money here. The extension is in a separate window, views the site of our advertisers, and you get paid for it. So once this extension is running in the background viewing the site of their advertiser, you will get paid for that, which can immediately be run to popular payment service. So these are the payment service they allow Koi, Yo Money, they are payer and money mobile account. So this payer is general, is what a lot of people use. So just have an account with them and withdrawing money into the place. All right. So the next thing you want to do is that they also have the sweet affiliate system. They have affiliate program also that you can also join. You join the affiliate program by sharing your link to your friends, your family. So if you also go down here, you're going to see the referral contest has ended with prize fund 5,600 ruby. How then do you sign up with this company? Use the link in the description. Go to the description box of this video. You're going to see the link there. Click on the link. Then once you click on the link, it's going to show you this thing. So what you just need to do is to click on this Google, sign up with Google, this last one here. Click on it. It means you want to sign up with Google, with your Gmail. All right. So once you click on this, then it's going to log you in immediately. It's very simple to do. Once you click on this, it's going to ask you to give access to the Gmail. So you click on your Gmail and give access and you are in. After which you've gone in. So this is what you're going to see when you are in. But before then, if you're yet to subscribe on this channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button right here. Turn on the bell. And also, why do you need to turn on the bell? You need to do that because whenever I drop videos like this that will help you to make money online, you'll be the first person to know and implement immediately. And also, if you're getting value so far in this video, you can also consider to give this video a thumbs up. I will appreciate that, and YouTube can help us push this video to more people that want to make money online. So let's go. So you can see today, you can see my balance, and this particular 79 you can see here is 79 ruble, which is Russian money. All right, and today so far I've gotten 58 ruble, which is Russian money. And so this is where you're going to be seeing your balance. So let's do the calculation. How much is 1 ruble to $1, so that we'll know exact amount of money that we've made so far. All right, 79 ruble that we have, we're gonna put it here. $1 is equal to 95. So far what I have there is now 83 cents. So what you want to do next is to click on this install extensions. So once you click on install extensions, it's open another window and another tab. So you're going to have something like this. You can see it, add-on money. You can see remove from Chrome because I've already installed the extension. All right, so but for you are going to see something like install. So click on that, install, and after that installation you're going to have something like this. So after which you've done that, then you're going to come back to your dashboard. All right, so in this dashboard you can only see your, even not coming to your dashboard, you only see your extension at the very top of your Chrome browser here, because this is my Chrome browser. Okay, so you are going to see, can you see the extension right here? So what I'm going to do right now is to click on the extension, and once I click on it, I'm going to toggle that button to make sure I turn it on. All right, so that is what I want to show you right now. So if you're enjoying the video already, kindly do what, give this a like. I will appreciate that. And if you're yet to subscribe, click on the subscribe button and do it to turn on the notification bell. You can see this. So what I need to do is to toggle this, then it's going to pop up a new window. That is where the advert is being run. All right, that is what you have as the background window that's going to be running the advert for you. You can see it, people counter.link. That's an ad. It's an ad. So what you need to do with this window, you don't have to minimize it and you can't close it, because if you close it, that thing you toggled on is going to switch off. So there won't be any money because you've already minimized it and you've already closed it. So you can't minimize it, you can't close it. So what you need to do instead is to go ahead and just click on this browser. Click on this main browser so that this one can go to the back. All right, can go to the back and you are doing your your normal thing on your browser. But let's read what they have here so that you are going to see what I was talking about the other time. You can see it is written here, do not close or minimize this window. Add-on money is working in it. Then they wrote this in their language. So what you need to do now, if I minimize, let's minimize and see if what I said is true, or if what they wrote here is actually true. So let's minimize this. If I minimize it, it's going to close it. You can see, just watch this button right here. You're going to see that this button will turn off. All right, so I'm just going to wait for it and see. You can see that the button is off. So meaning that you can't minimize that thing. You can't minimize. So instead, this is what you're going to do. Let's click on it again. All right, so let's toggle this on. So it's going to pop up the new window again. Yes, this is the new window. So this is what you're going to do. Just click on any part of this, your main window that you're working on. Click on it. So that one goes to the back and you're making your money. So the same thing you're going to do on your Opera Mini browser. So those are the two browsers you can use, Opera Mini and Chrome. Or if you have Yandex browser, also you can install it on your Yandex browser. So I have it on my Opera Mini and I have it on this Google Chrome. Go ahead, check this out and just start making money with it, because it's very simple. I mean, it won't cost you anything having this on your laptop or your desktop and you're doing your normal work on the other window. So it costs you nothing. So go ahead and use the link in the description box that I've provided. Use the link, sign up with them, and install the plugin or the extension on your browser. So that'll be the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you've gotten any value so far, kindly give this video a like so that YouTube can help us push this video to more people, so that we can have more people to watch the video and start making money with the same method that I've just shown you. And also, if you're yet to subscribe, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button, turn on the notification, so that whenever I drop videos like this, you can be the first person to watch the video and also implement immediately. If you actually still want to make money online, you can check this next video. That video is going to help you to make a lot of money online.